Close your eyes, breathe it in. Let the stillness begin. Feel the light in your chest. Let your soul find rest. You've been chasing, always trying, running fast, but never finding what was waiting deep inside. A peace that never hides. No more fear, no more fight, just the calm of endless light. When you let go, you'll see the love that sets you free. Spiritual peace and happiness. It's not out there, it's within your chest. When you stop the noise and listen close,